Okay guys, and welcome to this particular video. So let's quickly talk about how you can be able to earn Toncoin completely free of charge right here. All right, so it's totally free, there's no qualification needed, and anybody from anywhere can actually do what I'm about to show you right now to earn Toncoin completely free of charge. All right, so for the last 7 days you can see that Toncoin has actually done more than 95% within the last 7 days. All right, so we are going to be talking about this, and I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to earn Toncoin completely free of charge from a particular website. Like I said, it is totally free, there's no qualification needed, and all you have to do right now is to simply pay close attention to the video. Do not skip any part, and make sure you listen closely so that you get to understand the do's and don'ts and all necessary things you need to know before you can be able to start earning Toncoin completely free of charge. All right, so I'm going to be very honest with you guys. You are going to be earning a very little amount of Toncoin on each round. All right, so stick around so that you get to understand all you need to know about this particular update on how you can be able to get Toncoin completely free of charge. All right, so we are going to be talking about this particular website that's actually reward users. All right, so first thing you need to earn, or first thing you need to have before you can start earning this free Toncoin, is what we call FaucetPay. All right, so FaucetPay is a kind of a wallet that allows you to earn even a very little amount of cryptocurrency, no matter the cryptocurrency. You can see all this cryptocurrency right here are supported on the FaucetPay, and on this particular website that I'm about to show you right on this particular video, you can earn several other cryptocurrency from that website, but we are going to be focusing on Toncoin. All right, so stick around with me, do not skip any part of this video. So if you are just coming across our channel for the first time, please kindly do well to consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more good updates like this one. It is totally free. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell so that whenever we post any new video, you get to know about it. And if you find the video interesting, do not forget to like it. All right, so we are going to be talking about this particular website called it's called GameFaucet. All right, so GameFaucet.fun. We are going to be talking about this particular website. Like I already said, you need FaucetPay account before you can start earning from this website, because before you log into this website, you are going to be required to log in using your FaucetPay account. Now stick around, let me show you how you can be able to earn from this particular website. So looking over here, you can see that there are several ways to actually earn. So you can see earning options right here. You can actually earn through daily coupon, through Faucet, through short link, through soft ad, and through miner. So I'm going to be talking about Faucet and soft ad on this particular video. Okay, so right now, without wasting time guys, let's talk about this particular one right here. So we click over here on Faucet, and once you click on Faucet, you can see there are several options that allows you to earn different cryptocurrency. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to be focusing on Ton. All right, so over here, this is the Ton Faucet. We click on it. So over here, you literally need to click Toncoin every 10 seconds. Yes, you had that right. You are going to be clicking claiming free Toncoin every 10 seconds. Now let me take you to my Faucet and show you something real quick. Over here on my Faucet, let me show you this is my recent transaction, and you can see over here I've already earned this Toncoin for the last two transactions that I've done. So let me quickly show you something here real quick. Okay, coming back right here, let me just claim another cryptocurrency to show you the difference. Okay, I'll be claiming Peppercoin. Okay, over here, let me claim Peppercoin first before I will go back and claim Toncoin. So over here on each round, I'm going to be claiming 28.7 Peppercoin, and I'm going to be claiming it every 10 seconds. All right, so over here right now, what you need to do to be able to claim is very simple. Complete this captcha, as simple as that. Click on it, and once you click on it, you need to drag this until it fits perfectly, and you simply scroll down a little bit. You can see the claim button down here. I will click on it. Sorry, I need to go back. Okay, you can see right now I've just claimed 28.7 Peppercoin. Now let me check out the transaction that we have right here to see if it has landed. Okay, and you can see it has landed right here. I've just claimed it. So right now let's go back and claim Toncoin. So I will click on Faucet right here. This Faucet literally reward you with real cryptocurrency. So I will select Toncoin like this. So we are now going to be claiming Toncoin. On each claim, we are going to be claiming 0.300004494 Toncoin. You can claim unlimited. All right, so over here right now, scrolling down a little bit, what I need to do is to complete this captcha. All right, so I will drag this until it fits here, and I need to scroll down right here and simply click on the claim button. All right, so once I click on it, we have just claimed Toncoin. It is, you can see how easily I'm packing free cryptocurrency, and you can see it has reflected here immediately. So right now, after talking about the faucet, let's talk about the second one, which is of course soft add. Okay, so over here on soft add, let's focus mainly on let me claim Peppercoin first. So over here, what you do right here is that you literally click on a website, you visit that website, and you stay on that website until the given time elapses, basically 60 seconds. All right, and you are going to be entitled to claim all this Peppercoin right here, 478 Peppercoin. This is better. So let's go ahead and click on visit. Click to visit right now. So this is going to be taking us to another website, and we are done viewing the ads. Okay, after completing the when the timer counts to an end, then you need to complete this captcha. Select icon that matches the one above. Okay, it should be this one. Okay, you need to be careful while pressing because there are a lot of ads right here. Okay, you click on verify, and you can see you are now verified, and you can see success. Okay, now let's go back right now and see what we have right here. Okay, so I will just head over to my FaucetPay to actually see what we have right there. Okay, and here we are. I have just received Peppercoin right now, so I will go back right now to the page to actually complete another task. Okay, I will go to the soft add, then I will go to Toncoin soft add right here. I will select Toncoin, and after selecting Toncoin, then each task that I complete earn me 0.0068 Toncoin. So I will go with this first one that is going to be earning me okay, you just find the one that suits you the most. Okay, I have to go to the first one. I will click on visit site, and once I've just clicked on visit site, I need to wait. You can see visit start viewing ad up here. I will click on it, then you will hear a sound, and once you hear that sound, you have to wait until the sound comes up again. That basically shows that you are done, and let's just wait until I hear the sound again. I will pause the video right now, and right now after the countdown, I just need to go back like this. Okay, and right now I need to verify the captcha again by selecting the image that appear at the center right here. I will select this one. Okay, you need to head back. There are a lot of ad. I will click on verify. You can see it has been verified right now. Then I just need to go back again. Then right now I need to head over to my FaucetPay to see if I have received the Toncoin. Okay, and here we are, guys. You can see I've just received the Toncoin right here. So I know this could be very, very small, but still you need to pay close attention to it as it rewards you with free cryptocurrency. So this website literally pay you free cryptocurrency, and you use your FaucetPay to collect it. After everything, you can decide to send it out to your main wallet or to any exchange and do with it whatever you want, or you can decide to keep it, hold it until the price goes up even higher. So basically, this is how you can be able to get free Toncoin completely free of charge. So if you find the video interesting, do well to like the video. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I'll be stopping right here, and I'll be talking to you on the next update that I'll be sharing very, very soon.